Today's video, I want to show you the face mask I have been using throughout these 2 weeks, which has given my skin this glowing, beautiful, spotless skin you're seeing right now. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video to your friends and loved ones. And without wasting much of your time, let's get right. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So we are going to just start the mixing already. It is a very simple treatment, but this treatment is the real anti-wrinkles. It's the real ageless face mask. Some of us already know about it, but some of us don't know that it really works. So make use of raw egg, and we are going to separate the white part from the yolk. So you just crack open a little space so that it's gonna be a success. Oh yeah, that was successful. So the white part is being removed, and we are going to now take our yolk. That is what we are going to be using for these facials. Next ingredient is blue silver stain or petroleum jelly. Yes, these two ingredients goes well when it comes to anti-aging, when it comes to ageless skin, when it comes to a plump looking glowing face. This is what I use, and I have seen a huge difference on my face. We already know how Vaseline can be very sticky, so you have to carefully mix everything together. Mix it very well. Don't be in a hurry. Carefully do that and make sure everything incorporates. Then you mask it on your face in a circular motion. Are you seeing it right here? This is a treatment that has been underrated, but this truly works. It works perfectly. So I urge you to try it. And please always come back and give me the feedback in the comment section. Let me know how it is going for you. It is very important. So you just, after masking on your face, you can leave it for 40 minutes, you can leave it for an hour. I can even stay a whole day with it for me. It doesn't matter. But you can leave it for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but don't stay less than 15 minutes. Then after that, you use a face towel or a hand towel and clean it off. You soak it in a warm water and clean it off. Don't wash it off. Please don't wash it off. Washing your face with your bare hands causes you to break out. That's what I noticed in my face. So I prefer making use of wipes, making use of, I can just add, if it is so sticky and oily, I can make use of my black soap, put it on the face towel, soak it, and use it to clean my face. The way you take out your makeup, yes, that's the one that works for me. If I keep washing my face with my bare hands, it causes breakout for me. So darling, see you in my next video. Bye.